Hello, and welcome to Graduation Practice. Basically, this is a run-through of everything you need to know about Graduation Practice Day. So number one, when is it? It's Thursday, May 23rd, starting at 8 a.m. sharp. It's going to last till about 10 a.m., but that all depends on how well we can follow these instructions. Where is it? It's at the Williamson County Ag Expo Center. If you've never been there, go ahead and put the following address into the notes section of your phone. That way you can just copy and paste it into Google Maps on Thursday, May 23rd. Just in case you're wondering, it's about 23 minutes from Nolensville High School, give or take a few minutes for traffic. By the way, attendance for this graduation practice is mandatory. You must attend graduation practice in order to attend the actual graduation ceremony. However, you need to pay all your debts before practice begins. That means any debt you owe Nolensville High School, a textbook fee, a library fee, or a uniform fee needs to be taken care of as soon as you can. You cannot participate in graduation practice or graduation if you have outstanding fees to the school. Now, with that being said, let's talk about what we do once we get here. We're going to park in the front parking lot that's directly in front of the main entrance. And remember, that's at 8 a.m. sharp. Then we're heading up to the front main entrance of the Ag Expo Center. Go ahead and turn off or silence your cell phone before you walk in. You're going to be tempted to walk straight into the event venue. Please don't. Go ahead and take your very first right and walk down the hallway to this Ag Park meeting room. No food or drink is allowed in this room, so leave all that stuff in your car. When you walk in, these walls will be lined with pieces of paper with names on them. The sooner that everyone is standing or sitting in front of the piece of paper with their name, the sooner we can knock this out. We cannot begin graduation practice until everyone is sitting or standing in front of the piece of paper with their name on it. Real quick, let's take a look at the actual event venue. As you can see, this event space is big, it's beautiful, and it's going to be awesome come graduation day. The floor is a little bit uneven, so we're going to ask the girls to wear the shoes that you plan on wearing for graduation day. That way you can test them out and make sure that they're the right shoes for this surface, because we don't want anybody face planting on the big day when the whole town is here to see you guys and celebrate what you've done the last 4 years. Quick recap, graduation practice is Thursday, May 23rd, beginning at 8. Go into the room on the right and stand in front of the piece of paper with your name on it, and we'll knock it out as quickly as possible and be ready for the big graduation day. Thanks for watching, and go Knights.